You know, there's a lot of builders on YouTube, and when I think about all the channels that I watch, there's a lot of guys who are making, and gals, there are a lot of folks who are making really exceptional things that kind of just blow me away, honestly. And I don't have the energy, the time. I have a job and kids and all that. Or really even the skill to compete with these people for making awesome builds that you might want to watch. But that's okay, right? That doesn't mean that because it's on YouTube, it has to be amazing. Does it? I mean, maybe I'm wrong. There's a place for smaller projects, isn't there? I think so. So, quick short videos, quick builds. Let's make something. These things have been laying on my bench forever, and I need a place to store them, so let's make one. I've looked at a lot of plans, well, not plans, but other people's videos about making tool hangers like this, and they'll typically make some sort of shelf like this with a piece connecting here, or they'll make something like just like this, which works. But I still have a bunch of PVC left over from the camera build, so I'm gonna make it pretty. Gonna drill a hole for the PVC. So, since I'm doing just a little shop build video, I thought I'd show you a couple things about the shop. If you have a drill press, you need a chuck. You need a key chuck. This is how I keep my key. This is just one of those belt clip key things, key rings, and the chuck has been put on there with a strap of aluminum. It stays clipped to my drill press, so I never lose it. When I do projects like this, I really don't plan at all. Just kind of make it up as you go. It'll work. Half the fun in these types of projects are the problem solving. There's a lot of glue. I will probably screw these together later, but for now, a couple brad nails just to hold it. Why did I put the glue there? Whoops. One nice thing about using brad nails, you can easily fix your mistakes. They have very little holding power, clamp on here just to hold it semi-straight. It's not even remotely square. My table saw isn't set perfectly. Typically, when I do shop projects like this, I don't measure anything. It's kind of liberating. You don't have to do these sorts of things often where you just slap something together and see if it works. So, theoretically, that'll hang on the wall, and my pliers will sit in there like that. Perfect. But I want to attach this PVC, so I think what we'll do is drill down through it and put a couple drywall screws in. So here's a little tip about drywall screws. When you use them to mount something like this, especially something that's not going to be clamped, oversize the holes in the piece. Because if this drywall screw is binding too much in this piece, once it comes through this side, it's going to pull this surface away from what you're screwing to, and you're going to end up with a really loose connection. Whereas if you drill it oversized in this piece, the drywall screw will only grab in the connecting piece, and it will draw this flat instead of pushing it out. So that's it. Super simple little shop build with a nice little rack to hold pliers. And it matches all of the other pine tool holders I've made over the years to keep all of this stuff up organized. So tell me what you think in the comments below. Not every video has to be a complex build, does it? I hope not. Please.